Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ilham Nur Saleh. I will make a speech about showing my opinion about smoking in the campus area. Today, I will discuss a very important problem for your health and welfare: smoking on campus. Smoking has become a serious problem among students and a wider community. The danger of smoking not only affects active smokers, but also passive smokers who accidentally breathe cigarette smoke. Therefore, we need to take action to reduce and eliminate smoking on campus. As students, we have the responsibility to maintain our own health and safety. In order, we can start by raising awareness about the danger of smoking and promoting a healthy lifestyle. We can also work with campus to provide prevention and maintenance programs to help students who want to quit smoking. Our campus must be a safe and healthy place for our students. Therefore, we need to make a clear and active policy to reduce and eliminate smoking on campus. Let's work together to make a smoke-free campus and promote a healthy lifestyle. For all students, we can do this by raising awareness, providing prevention and maintenance programs, and creating active policies. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Yes, this time I will present about simple present. Understanding simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is the discrete action or situation that are regular habit or organized through. If translate simple present tense, is then you should to descriptive event that are regular random or habit that continue to occur every day. Simple present tense can also be indicate something that is happening right now. Function of simple present tense. 1. General truth. General truth means in general truth or absolute truth. This means was truth is precise and incorrect now. 2. Habit. Next is habit. Habit means something that's done consistently and consistently. Instruction. Next, there is an instruction which means a command or instruction. For example, like the command board that we on the road in addition, there are also through what we can find on productive packaging. Simple present tense pen formula. So for the subject which to be and verb do or verb which we use the ending. Yes, will the subject you do we and for the subject is to be or and verb the or verb which or the ending is. Finally, the subject the the subject he she it and singular subject is to be is and verb dus or for the ending is. We from the pattern itself. It is divided into two types, namely the pattern form noun tenses and the pattern form verb tenses. We will discuss them in more depth one by one. Simple present tense pattern formula for noun sentence. Subject plus to be plus complement. To be consists of is am are the is affix depend on the subject. Will complement consist of noun adverb and adjective is assert them on the sense example. He is teacher. He is a teacher. I'm smart. I am smart. We are a group of students. We are a group of students. In the positive from the station has heavily formed with the states negative or the for example. I am smart. No, I am not smart. I am smart. No, I am not smart. Wow, I am very confident, but that's okay. Confident is mass. Simple present tense formula for five sentences. positive form. For the positive form of upward tension, the pattern is subject plus verb 1 plus is plus complement. No, this verb can use to regular what do is ending or the one ending depending on the subject. Do you still remember the subject table that we discussed earlier? If the subject is you, the we and plural subject used to verb with the s ending is a subject. Is he is and singular subject used to verb ending is example. I read a little. He goes to school. He goes to school. Negative form. We either negative form and linear in negative form originates to this negative. Sentence form is negative, that in negative. The pattern of non tense is subject plus to be plus not example. Complement. Just and just from positive from earlier example. Mom is not a chef. Mother I'm not a chef. I am not lazy. I am not lazy. They are not here. They are not here yet. Interrogative form. For the interrogative form of a first tension, the pattern is do, does, plus subject, plus verb, plus complement, plus the. Don't forget use a question mark. Example. Does he bring the book? Did I bring the book? Do you like it? Did you like it? Just like the non-stand earlier, the interrogative form in the verb tense. To be is always present at the beginning of the sentence. You solely here. Act as the question word. Interrogative from with why question. Finally, the interrogative from with why question. What do you mean? What the difference with the interrogative from earlier? The difference in the interrogative form that use why question a question word containing the why literal namely what, when, where, whom, which, was, why, and how. Further from the pattern in the noun tense is why question plus to be plus subject question. Unlike the interrogative form earlier, this interrogative form beginning with high question first then from followed by to be the subject example. Who is that boy? Who is that man? Am I? Where am I? Where are you led? Why are you led? Interrogative from with high question less, but not the is the interrogative from with why question verb tense the better is why question plus does plus subject plus verb one plus complement plus one. Similar to noun tense, in this from the why question implies at the beginning of the stanza before to be example. When does he go to school? When does he go to school? Why do you love badminton so much? Why do you love badminton so much? That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.